So fishy down there. It's really hard to pass that, not fish it. But we have a plan. Gotta stick to the plan. Oh yeah. Well, that's not good. Oh my god. That's really not good. Oh, fish just surfaced right in front of me. Just fishing this little, I don't know, green mayfly looking thing. Dry fly. Fish are surfacing all around. Oh yeah. I have not bobber fished in a long time, so we're gonna give it a go. Got the bobber out. Alright, so I've switched to a black woolly bugger. Bobber and worm out there chilling. Ah. Lavender kombucha? Well, this is a total nightmare. But I'm gonna try and fix this so I can troll a spinner. Oh, got it. Yes. Spinning rod is back in action. Fishing a little Panther Martin, classic black and yellow pattern. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do a little trolling. Just put one little split shot about 18 inches above the Panther. Wow, look at this. Shee. Incredible. Oh, that's done. Whew. Yeah, sorry my legs are so bright. I know they're blinding. Dude, they're right in front of me. Oh, got one. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's a good fish. Oh, it's a really good fish. Oh, he's coming at me. Oh, we got a fish. We got a fish. I'm so excited. All right. Oh, I think it's a brown. Oh, it totally is a brown. Yes. Oh man, finally got a fish. Look how beautiful it is. Oh. I'm just gonna put him to sleep real quick. He is dispatched. Look at that fish. The red on it. Wow. Yes, sir. This looks fun, but I have no idea where this goes. Oh, perfect, dude. Where does this road go? Oh, guess that's it. I don't know where to start. Actually got new cooking stove. I've always wanted to try. This dude named Steve makes them. And he has a YouTube channel I've been watching for like 7 years or so. It's called Firebox. Basically, you just cut up little branches, little sticks, and use that for your fuel. It's cool. Nice. Little lichen combo. That's what I'm talking about. You can just kind of put these in here, either vertically or horizontally. I'm gonna do kind of a combo. Just want it to light up. The cool thing is, as it gets low, you can just feed sticks through these holes. Keep the fire going. Ah, it's hot. I guess this will be our table. Oh yeah, this is nice actually. Coffee, coffee cup. Ooh, that's hot. Oh yeah. Whew. That's probably enough. It's good stuff. It's good. This is a Colombian coffee roasted by Water Avenue here in Portland, Oregon. So I forgot all my seasonings, so we're just gonna cook this trout in butter, which has some salt in it, so that's good. Guess that's all you need. I'm just gonna cut some larger chunks of onion. That beautiful orange fillet. Ooh, it's curling. And every time I do this, I forget to slit the skin so it doesn't curl up like that. It's interesting having to cook on the ground. Just kind of gives you an appreciation for tables. But it's nice. Feel closer, feel grounded, you know? Please be good, avocado. Oh yeah. That's pretty nice. Put this to the side. Maybe toast our tortillas. And I used way too much butter. Guess I'll use the whole avocado. Why not? Buttery goodness. What a solid day. There's so much butter. I never cook with that much butter. But it just seemed right, you know? Well, I'm gonna eat the rest of this and get out of here. Thanks for watching. What is that thing? I don't know. Mountains though?